Hey, this is Chantel from WTI. If you're currently looking for a non-stick frying pan, I definitely recommend this 10-inch frying pan by Caraway. This is a ceramic frying pan made with a mineral-based coating that keeps the pan naturally slick, so it requires less oil or butter when cooking. I went with the black and gold to match the black accents in my kitchen, and I love how beautiful it is. I also love how evenly my food cooks when using this pan. Because of the way it is designed, it can hold heat more efficiently, so it can be used on low to medium heat. And being able to flip eggs without having to scrape them from the bottom like my last frying pan makes me happy. I have used this pan daily for almost 2 years and it has held up really well. I make sure to follow all of the care instructions to increase its longevity and prevent damage, such as hand washing, making sure I use plastic or rubber cooking utensils, and making sure it's completely cooled down before washing. And another great thing is how easily caked on food just washes right off without having to soak it and scrub it forever. And that's just my point of view.